Hello, welcome back to PageFly tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to add animations to elements on your PageFly pages. Adding animations can significantly enhance the dynamism and vibrancy of your pages, providing a better shopping experience for your customers. There are two types of animations you can apply to each element when mouse over and when visible. Let's begin with adding animation when mouse over. This type of animation will be triggered whenever the user places their mouse over the element on the screen. I'll demonstrate this with a button on the hero banner. Select the button and navigate to the General tab. Scroll down to the Animation section and choose an animation from the When Mouse Over drop-down menu. I'll select Bounce In. Remember, animations only function on live pages, so I'll save and publish the page. Then switch to the live page to see the result. There it is. The animation activates perfectly when the mouse hovers over the button. Next, let's add animation when visible. I'll demonstrate this with elements in the 20% discount section. Select the column containing the heading and paragraph. Go to the General tab, scroll down to Animation, and select Bounce In Left from the When Visible drop-down menu. I'll apply the same animation to the button on the right. Save and publish the page, then check the live page to see if it works. You can also apply both types of animations simultaneously. Let me show you how. I'll add a zoom in animation to this button on the hero banner when it becomes visible, and a bounce in animation to the second button below it when the mouse hovers over it. Save and publish the page. Then check the live page, and here are the results on the live page. Looks fantastic, doesn't it? This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.